This is yarrow, or Achille milfolium, so named because it has 1,000 foliage. It has lots of little leaves on here. It's very supportive for our bloods. In fact, it's going to be very useful to add into our forage for tomorrow at Surrey at Spring Park. These are going to be going into the little pesto mix that we're making for the University of Third Age down in Surrey, just beyond Beckenham border. And it's going to add a really nice, delicious flavour to our dish. And we're walking around the Spring Park area for tomorrow. There's a little pond over here. So yeah, if you'd like to join us sometime, you just have to get in touch and let us know on Kitchen Buddy for the different park walks that we're doing around the area. We've got plantain. This is another one that's very healing for our blood as well, and preventing excess blood loss. These are the little seed heads, which are like psyllium husks. They're very good for the digestion, offer a lot of fibre. It's very gelling. And finally, got some beautiful plants down here. This is like a watercress. You can see it's growing out of the water at the pond just here. This is like a watercress plant. And also the blue one is the alkanet. These are edible flowers as well, we're going to use some of these. It tastes like watercress. It's quite strong actually, it's quite bitter. But it's alright. Lovely little flowers. Take some of these, is it pretty? Put these as a garnish on top, like this. And blue alkanets, which are growing in here. Alkanet's a really nice plant. It has quite hairy leaves. They've got quite a prickly texture, and the flowers, which are got rounded petals, so it's not borage. Borage has 5 pointed star petals. These ones are rounded edges. 5 petals, blue flower, it's alkanet. And they're really pretty to put into drinks, to freeze into ice cubes, which is what we'll be doing with some elderflower. Mix together with the elderflower. Have nettles. These are also coming into flower now as well. Well, we're not going to pick the leaves because all the energy and the life force of the plant goes into the nettle seeds, which are forming here. And they sort of hang down like this in this sort of formation. And they're nice to pick later in the year when they're a little bit more mature. They're like a spice. It's an alternative to black pepper. I'd add them onto a soup or as a garnish on top. That way. And yeah, there's lots of other things around. They're in the orchard area here as well. There's cherries, you can see. But the leaves are still nice. You know, they've got lots of nice little leaves which go well into pesto, and we can add some of those in as well and grind these down. It's stronger in the spring season before the seeds come out. But they look so lush and pretty. I'll chop some of them up. And pop them in as well.